Biogas consists of hydrocarbons which are flammable and may generate heat and energy when burned. Biogas forms by a biochemical process in which particular bacteria transform biological waste into usable biogas. Biogas is the name given to a beneficial gas that comes from a biological process and is mostly composed of methane gas. The biogas manufacturing process is anaerobic in origin and divided into two phases. The bio-degradable complex biological compounds found in the waste products are acted upon by a group of acid-generating bacteria present in the dung during the acid creation stage. This stage is known as the acid-generating stage because organic acids are the principal products. In the second step, groups of methanogenic bacteria react with organic acids to create methane gas. Biogas may form from various sources including animal effluents, wastewater treatment plant sludge, agro-industrial waste and crop residues. The energy yield varies depending on the qualities of the raw material used in terms of biogas produced and therefore electrical and thermal energy created. To learn more about biogas, check out the link in the description. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching.